those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you, that I get when looking down from this high. It's me down. Can't give up this feeling. It's me down. Can't give up this feeling. It's me down. Can't give up this feeling. It's me down. Can't give up.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new LEGO military video. Today we have a new heavy helicopter from United States, the MQ-8 Fire Scout. As usual, this project was suggested and requested by you during the live streams, so if you want you can check the live stream where we built this baby together clicking in the right up corner. And if you want to suggest another project for the future, remember that you can leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next. But for today, let's analyze this little baby here. It's quite small, so the video will not last so long. You already seen many photos, so you already know the look of the helicopter. Here I will show you only the main features very fastly. And as usual, remember that inside, as you may notice, we have green parts. These parts are not visible, so you can change them with any other color. As usual, this is in minifigure scale. In this photo you can see it next to a minifigure and a bigger helicopter like the Apache. And more importantly, as always, you can download the instructions to build it. So click in the description of the video to find the link to download the instructions, and actually also the link to the playlist with many other projects like this one. Okay, I think it's enough. We can start checking the project. Here we have the helicopter itself and some payload, so I think we can start with the helicopter itself first. Of course it's very small, so there is not so much to show. We have the main rotor that can rotate, obviously, so you can rotate the rotor. You can actually close it for save space if you use it on a ship. Well, actually the real one is adopted also on ships, so to save space you can close the rotor blades. So as you may notice, you can close them. So you can close the rotor blades this way. Now open them again because it's more beautiful when they are open. Of course we have also the rear rotor that can rotate as well. Well, it should. Maybe not today, come on. Yes, finally. Here we have some details, like here we have a little antenna, some little wings here and there, some sort of sensor here. Also here on the back we have another sensor, more details on the bottom. Here we have the main video camera that can rotate, so of course we can make it rotate. Now the color is just one, but I think you can change it if you want, or you can print an adhesive on it to make it look more like a camera. And another little thing we have here is the exhaust for the engine that I think is pretty nice, I like it. And actually there is nothing else to show. So let's go with the weapons. Let's go with the weapons. To add the weapons we have to remove one and two pieces. And then we have three different choices. Well, actually four, but these two are the same. The only thing different is the system to connect them. So you can choose which one you like most. Let's see what we can add. First we have a possible missile choice. So here we have 4 missiles. These are the missiles. Then we may use rocket launchers. We have 2 kinds, so you can choose the one you prefer. Let's try this one. And here we have the rocket launcher. I used this one because it was the most similar to the real rocket launcher, but of course if you don't like it you can change it. The last one are, I think, drop tanks, not 100% sure, but they should be drop tanks for external fuel, and that's all. As I said, it's not a so big project, it's quite small. We have a total number of parts of 386, so it's even not so expensive. And I really hope you like this little project. If yes, remember to leave a like. Let me know in the comments what you like most of the project and what you want to see next. Maybe your request will be the one I choose for the next creation. Check also the other videos clicking in the right up corner to find more projects like this one. And remember to share this video with other people you think may like it. Well, actually you can share it with anyone. Also, if they don't like it, share it anyway. And now it's really all. As usual, see you in the next video. Bye!